Hey trader, welcome back to MFS Trading. Today I will share with you a trading strategy that could potentially make you multiply your account in a short time. As usual, we'll have plenty of practical examples. The idea is to fully understand this wonderful trading strategy. The very important point that everything we discuss in this video can be used for currency trading, stock trading and crypto trading. So please make sure you stay focused throughout this video so you don't miss anything important and understand this strategy perfectly. Before starting today's video, you can support us by using the links below the description, or you can also join Telegram to receive free daily signals. Let's get right into the video in this trading strategy. To use this strategy we will need 3 free indicators from TradingView. And at the end of the video I will show them to you with the settings that each indicator needs. Now I will explain to you how these indicators work and how they are used to obtain long and short signals. For long trade, as the first signal we have the crossing of the ADX. The green line crosses up the red line, so we think of a long trade. For the second confirmation we need to see the hybrid SSL. If the price is above the line and this line is colored blue, then we are in a confirmed uptrend. And for the third confirmation I recently discovered this amazing volume indicator. It basically tells us if the price has enough volume to open a trade. We can see that it is divided into 5 levels depending on the volume in the market. Let's only take trades when the volume is medium or higher. Okay, now that you know how this strategy works, let's see other examples on the candlestick chart. Here we have our first confirmed bullish signal. We see that the SSL hybrid is blue line and the volume is with medium strength. The X confirms the long trade with the crossing of the green line above the red line. So we take a long position, put the stop loss at the recent low, and our P take profit will be risk reward 1.5 and see how it plays out. And as we can see, the result is a completely winning trade. Let's look for the next signal of our strategy. Here we do not enter any add signal because the volume does not confirm the signals. It is very important to strictly adhere to the strategy, because the emotions betray us and we could have entered one of these invalid signals. Okay, we continue to look for signals to enter winning trades. For short trade, we can see this short signal. The rules for SSL hybrid and ADX are exactly opposite. And remember that only enter a trade with medium or high volume. In this case we see that the SSL hybrid is red. The ADX is having a bearish cross with the red line above the green line. And the volume is high level. So we open a short position. We put our stop loss at the recent high and take profit with risk reward 1.5. Let's see how this operation unfolds. We see that this trade took a while, but in the end it was successful. Let's go find more trades. Okay, here's another short sign. We clearly see that the SSL hybrid is in the red. The ADX is making a bearish cross and our volume is medium. So we take a short position. We set our stop loss and take profit and see how it plays out. And we see that this quick trade was perfect. Here's another long signal. We see that the SSL hybrid, the ADX and the volume are meeting the conditions. So we take a bullish trade. In some cases like this we will have the most recent low far away from our candle. So we put the stop loss on the SSL hybrid line and the take profit with risk reward of 1.5. We clearly see that this trade was easily won. We'll look at a few more examples and I'll show you how to set up indicators. In this case we see another short signal. The SSL hybrid is in the red, the ADX is having the bearish cross and the volume is very high. So we take a bearish position. We put the stop loss and take profit at 1.5. We see that this trade was missed, and that is why it is very important to manage our emotions and follow our trading plan. Accepting the risk with 1 or 2% per trade of our capital will allow us to continue despite having losses. Let's look for more trades. Here we have 3 signals. In the third one we see that there was a very bullish movement. So we are going to ignore this type of candles on the chart because we are not sure that our trade will be successful. In the first and second signal we see that there is a very good signal. Without sudden movement and with the conditions being fulfilled correctly. SSL hybrid as red, ADX is having a bearish cross and our volume is medium. So we take a long trade, set our stop loss and take profit correctly. We see that the result is very good and we manage to win this trade quickly and safely. So, be careful with this type of candle where the volume is very high. This can be risks for your trading. First, the price has moved quite a large amount. So the profit of the trade is not surely high. Second, the risk of a quick reversal will cause your trade to hit stop loss. Now let's look at our indicator settings. This strategy consists of 3 free indicators in TradingView. For the first indicator, let's search for heat map volume. This indicator buys X to cow. For the second indicator, let's add ADX and D by Bikabuyaji. And for the third indicator, let's add SSL hybrid, this indicator by Mikkel. Okay, now we need to configure the settings on these indicators. So let's go first with SSL hybrid. So in a style section, let's uncheck everything except for this MA baseline. Now let's change the MA length from 60 to 200. Also let's change the baseline type from HMA to LSMA. Now let's adjust the settings, the ADX and D, so we want to change these parameters. FOT the len from 14 to 25. And TH from 20 to 30. In a style section, let's uncheck ADX and the level. And finally the volume indicator is going to be on the default settings. Okay traders. Remember to follow your strategy rigorously with your trading plan. Good luck for you. Traders, if you enjoyed today's video, leave a like to it and subscribe to MFS Trading channel. Good luck for you.